Let's be completely honest. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this viral gem literally everywhere changes everything. Check this out, if you love smart solutions. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the build quality is premium, I was completely sold. It is super practical for everyday use because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it delivers outstanding results instantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade today without any delay. Let's be completely honest. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this viral gem literally everywhere